Flavorful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious, authentic beef stew. You have to have all these ingredients in order to call it authentic caldo de res. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start here with the meat. I want to show you the pieces that I got. I want to show you first that I have the neck bone. This is the neck bone. And here I have the beef soup bone. The beef soup bone really gives it an amazing flavor. And here I have the beef shark center cut. And of course, the boneless chuck roast. These pieces are the ones that you use to make this authentic caldo de res. I'm going to start cutting it in small pieces. You decide how small or how large you want the pieces. And now here in this pan, I have boiling water. And I'm going to start adding the beef into the boiling water. It really takes about 20 minutes before it starts really boiling and releasing all the flavors. At this moment, I'm going to continue with my veggies. I have my cabbage, but what I want to show you is the core of the cabbage. You want to make sure that you cut right in the center so the cabbage stays in those pieces and they don't start pulling apart when everything starts cooking and boiling in the pan. I have my zucchini here, which I'm just going to cut. I'm not going to cut the pieces in small pieces. I want to make sure that they stay in one piece. And here I have my chayote squash. And I am going to go ahead and just cut it the same way I did with the zucchini. And I'm going to put it in this large plate. I have my carrots that I'm going to cut the edges, and then I'm going to take the skins off and just cut it through the center. I have some potatoes. Remember that the veggies, use the ones that your family really loves. Here, I want to show you how I make my beef stew here at home. So these are the ingredients that I use. Of course, if you don't like some of these ingredients, you could remove or you could just omit them. Do not put them in. I have my corn here. I'm taking all the skin away and just breaking it in half. And I have my yuca, which I'm going to take the skin off. And once I've done that, I'm just going to cut it in half. You don't have to cut it in small pieces. Just like that. And I'm going to go ahead, put it in the same plate. And I have the cilantro and the spinach. I'm going to go ahead, take it to the sink, and I'm going to be rinsing it really good until the water runs clear. This is very important, making sure that you really rinse your veggies very good, okay? Now that they are ready and done, I'm going to go ahead and reserve them. Look at this. I have all my veggies here. I have my sprout beans and the veggies that I rinsed. So now all the veggies have been prepared and I am ready to go see how the pot is doing with the meat. And here it's already boiling. There's a lot of foam right on the top, and that's exactly what you want to remove. All the little foam on the top. After 20 minutes, I'm taking away all the greasy liquid on the top of the broth. I'm just gonna take all the little grease that floated all the way to the top. I'm going to remove it. If the meat is a little tender, then it's time to start adding your veggies. I am going to start with the corn, onion, potatoes, yuca, and then of course I'm going to cover it. I am going to cook it for about 20 minutes before I add the rest of the veggies. Look at this. My home smells amazing and it's nice and warm. It's raining outside, and of course I am going to enjoy this amazing caldo de res. Here I want to show you that I got all the little grease from the top, and of course this is what we are going to throw away. Now it's been 20 minutes and I am ready to start adding the rest of the ingredients. Right in the center, the cilantro and the sprouts, bean sprouts, and then cover for 15 minutes. I have here the spinach, and the spinach I'm not going to cook. I'm just gonna cut it like this. I'm gonna add it to the bottom of the plate, and then I am ready to just pour everything right on top of the spinach. Look at this. This is already done. This beef stew is ready to be enjoyed by my family. I'm just going to remove the cabbage so it doesn't overcook. And now I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing beef stew. Of course, I made it authentic caldo de res. This is the part I really love and enjoy. I added some white rice, onion, cilantro on the top. Of course, the spinach on the bottom. The spinach, you don't need to cook it. Just add the raw spinach on the bottom of your plate. When you add all the delicious caldo, it really cooks to perfection. I added some rice, some chili oil, and this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The meat is really tender. The veggies are to perfection. And like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. Look at this. The corn really gets all those amazing flavors of the bone and of the meat. Excuse me. This is perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and authentic caldo de res. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Caldo de res, made at home with lots of love. Leave me your thumbs up, share this video, subscribe, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.